Hello. And thanks so much for dropping in. I am not using my microphone because I have a charger plugged in to make sure that I can record endlessly. Not that I will go endlessly, but anyway. So I will try and speak up. I'm not far from the phone. But yes, I need to speak up. So I've been going through some discs, and it's easy to get kind of confused and forget what exactly I've done. Most of them are music discs, and I would like to play some more music, but I have become a little confused at times. So, what? What did I do? All I wanted to do, what did I do? I've got a 1541 test demo disc in. Oh, okay. Let's try that again. And I figure because I'm going to be looking at some directories, I'm going to load in the C64 wedge, which I think I am doing now. Okay. So, I don't know all that this does, and I'm not sure even how to find out all that this does, but it does make it easier if I sit here in the dark. Well, it doesn't tell me. Anyway, how I can look at things. So here is a 15. Why is it flashing at me? Oh, maybe because I sent it a command, but it doesn't know. So anyway, I'm not going to do anything with this disk except put it back in its original Commodore sleeve, and then I'm going to carry on, and I'm going to put, I'm going to mark on the on the label and also on the sleeve what is on here. And there are an awful lot of things on this disc. Lots and lots and lots and lots of things. So, what do I want to try and load? Well, I think I will load SID player. And see what's what with this. Oh yes, okay, I remember this now. This is one, I wish this would let me pick everything, but it won't. So I'm going to rate. I can't even rate, I'm in the dark here. SID player, which is, you know what, I like the graphics part of this, but I can't, I wish I could just set it up and have it play. Anyway, I will put in one thing, and it seems to be going okay, so I believe we're going to hear 76 trombones. Oh, I guess that's it. Okay, so what am I doing now is I'm going to take this disc and turn it over. I think I'm just going to hit return. See, does this? Oh yeah. Okay, so this has more songs on the other side. And I think it is time to be thrilled. So that was Thriller. Okay, so that is enough of that disc. And actually, I think what I might do is reset things and start over on another disc, because I realized I forgot to turn off the Wi-Fi, and that any incoming things may disrupt my recording. So that disc, I have marked on the sleeve what it is, so I never have to wonder again. Got to just make sure the sleeve doesn't get swapped around. So I'm going to do a little reset and do some more. Thanks for coming. Bye for now.